Here's a video on how to use Honorlock for third-party assessments. Now, to explain a third party, we're going to be using My Lab, which is used for math classes, science classes, and other classes. But think of third party as something that is not a classic quiz in Canvas. A couple setup things. I'm currently in Chrome to start with. I'm an instructor in my course, and I have Honorlock enabled, set up, and already downloaded. So a quick tutorial on that. When you go into your course, go to Settings, go to Navigation, and then your Honorlock will be on this list, and you will either drag or enable the Honorlock so it is on the top portion, like mine is, and then remember to save. Okay, so we're basically going to have our assessment in My Lab. We'll be using My Lab as an example of a third-party assessment. So I'm going to start by going into my My Lab course. You can either have the My Lab separate, and it works with Honorlock, or you can have it embedded in Canvas. For this example, I'm going to have it separate. So I go into My Lab, your third-party assessment, and I click on Assessment Manager, and let's make a brand new one. Okay, you can also use a current assessment, but for this video, I'll be making a new one. So I go to Create Assessment. I will be creating a test. You can create a quiz just as easily. I'm going to call this Test Practice. So I give it that name. I'm going to add some content. So I had started this earlier, so I add a couple questions. And then when I get to settings, here's where it's very important for Honorlock that your third-party assessment has a password. It must have a password. So I'll make mine available today. I'll make it due in a couple days. You can do the settings that you like, but you must have a password. So I'll click on Required Password. I'll make my password Valencia. Again, you can do the same settings as you would normally. The only requirement is that you must have a password. You do the settings as normal, save and assign. Okay, so we have our assessment. It is called Test Practice. It is created in My Lab. Now, I'm going to go back to my course. Remember, Honorlock is one of my options that I'm able to select. I click on Honorlock. Then, if I go to the top, you see these three dots, the menu on the top right. Click on Register Third-Party Exam. I click Register Third-Party Exam. Then you have to give it a name. I recommend giving it a name, the same name as the exam in My Lab, your third-party exam. You can give it the same start and ending as you did with the other assessment. These dates are a little off. And then here's where you put the password. Same password as you put in your third-party exam in My Lab. You set up what settings you like. We recommend having all the settings on. Depending on your assessment, if you want the basic calculator, scientific calculator, that depends on you. I'll turn off the basic calculator, but let's say you want the browser guard on. I'm not whitelisting any websites. All the other settings are on. You can put your instructions for the students. And then their proctor guidelines. Remember, the proctor guidelines are if you're using the chat feature and you need the chat representative to notice that there are some guidelines for this assessment. Again, you can fill that in. And then here where it says, show this exam to students regardless of any restriction. No, use the date in the exam. Or yes, always show the exam in the student view. I'm going to put use the exam dates. So the first one, use the dates on the exam, and then click create. So just a quick summary. In My Lab, we've created an assessment, or there was an assessment there, but it must have a password. In the course, I went to Honorlock, I went to the menu, and I registered a third-party exam, giving it a similar name or same name. I recommend same name. And then putting the password in there, and then do your settings. And then now, notice the test practice is here. This is where you'll see your results in your settings. So now you are ready to make an Honorlock enabled third-party exam. Thank you.